Hey there, Rajesh Menon once again. Today we are going to talk about the importance of attention. Now, the most important quality that anyone can possess is the ability to give undivided attention to his or her surroundings. This means one pointed focus. When you shine your light of attention, the thoughts inside your mind automatically vanish. How many times in a day does your attention wander? Many times, right? You must have noticed that very often it happens so. When you're not concentrating, the effect of the object wanes, which means it fades away. You do not get it fully. You must work through the gap. The gap is nothing but your awareness. Now, you will have a heightened sense of experience if you operate with your full attention. In fact, this is what love is: 100% attention in the present. You see, things are as they are, and you experience them real. So, pay attention. If there's one thing we must do, it is to cultivate silence. Stop that mind chatter and just listen. When a person speaks, do not interrupt him. Listen fully. Do not let your attention swing outside the focus of attention. There are so many distractions while you're trying to concentrate. Now filter them out. Like noise cancelling headphones, you must have one for yourself. A Dolby headphone, right? So get a noise cancelling headphone. Like sunlight, when it passes through a magnifying glass, a convex lens, it can burn paper. So should be the heightened awareness of the mind. When we reach this stage, we'll be able to experience the universe around us in a deeper sense. Because finally, who are you? You're that awareness, pure potential. Your name, your possessions, your relations, or your physical body is not going to endure forever. What is left is pure awareness or consciousness trying to experience what is around through you. You are the medium of expression. Know that this consciousness or awareness or potential or whatever you may call it is indestructible. It survives even after death. You are moving towards purity or perfection. When your awareness is 100%, you become godlike. All the good qualities like love, peace, joy, equanimity, etc., will become your nature. In the Bible, it said, "You know God when you know yourself." Now, the day that happens, that is your transformation. When you realize that you are much more than a physical body covered by flesh and bones, you have started your quest. In order to answer your questions, you have to delve deep into yourself. So flush out the negatives that you have that attenuate your positive. So all those negative feelings and emotions and beliefs, let them go. Apply your innate talent to fields which you love. Do not spend times on things you dislike, although you may be a victim of circumstances. Please persevere while you wait for your dreams to come true. It's easy to marry the person that you love, but to love a person after marriage, it requires effort. Now, if your situation is not amenable to you, take steps to change it. Every day, You may work on a snippet, but slowly and surely things will change. You can also aim for a rapid transformation by becoming more aware or sensitive to everything around you. To love, sometimes you have to be vulnerable. That's a risk you have to take. But who is going to hurt whom? When we are all the same awareness that is tucked away somewhere in the cradle of the universe. So we are all the one single consciousness. Now, life is very much like a movie. There are three aspects of it: the observer, the observed, and the process of observing it. When we are watching a movie, we feel that it is real, like a dream. When we sit in a theater watching a movie, our attention is on what is being projected on a screen. So we are fully watching the movie, we are fully concentrating on the movie. In life, similarly, the projection is on reality, which is the screen, and the projector is our mind. The process of observing it varies from person to person. Some people put all the attention to the screen, some people sleep in cinemas, some people simply think while watching the movie. So, why do we go to cinemas? The answer is for the experience. And the infinite universe is experiencing things through you, through your body and mind. Companies which make products with a great user experience will thrive. Now, this applies to all aspects of our life. We are creatures of experience because deep down we are all observers or pure awareness. A majority of people are unaware of their awareness, and hence we need to bring a new world order. I'm reminded of John Lennon's song Imagine, and if it were to come true, the world would be a magical place to live. To change the world, you have to change yourself. And when you do it out of a deep sense of awareness, you will experience a world as the dreamers had dreamed of. One world. That's what I'm vouching for. Please subscribe to my website, technospirituality.com. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you liked it, share it with your friends. Thank you and God bless.